All right, hey you guys, today we've got a new unit from Nadula Hair. You guys, this is supposed to be a super easy unit, wig install, beginner friendly, all that great stuff. And we're about to put it to the test because I am pressed for time. Like today I'm really pressed. I know I always say that, but for real, I am. I am actually in the middle of putting some crochet locks in my hair, you guys, but we're about to head out for dinner. Not gonna finish in time. Here's my little box from Nadula, all the goodies that they sent me. Let me go ahead and give you guys an up close shot of the unit. All right, so this is their Kinky Curly texture in 20 inches, 150% density. This is their Wear and Go Glueless closure unit. And just so you guys know, Nadula is having their 6th anniversary promotion. It's better than Black Friday. You're gonna get the best deals. So be sure to check out the description box. I will put all the information down there as usual. All right, you guys, I am not gonna be blabbing today because we got things to do. Of course, I don't have time today to bleach to knot. I may go in and pluck a little bit right in the front, but y'all, I don't think I'm gonna do that either today. This texture is super kinky, you guys. I feel like these companies are definitely getting better with getting more kinky hair. At first, I felt like what they were calling, you know, type 4 hair was really like 3B hair, but this is definitely on the kinky side. 4A, 4B, if you're a texture kind of girl. If you're not, just ignore me. Let's go ahead and get this tutorial started. I'm hungry, I'm ready to go. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so like I said, started to do my hair, had to quit. So I'm just gonna tuck it all under my wig cap, and then we're going to go ahead and cut a little bit more of this lace off. With this unit, they already cut the lace off for you. So if you really ain't got the time, any scissors by you, you on vacation, I don't know, you can just pop this on and go. But I cut a tiny bit more off. And then I'm just gonna gather my hair and use my TG hairspray to spray a little bit of hairspray, just a little adhesive on this unit, because you guys, no matter how much it says for me and my lifestyle and my 7-year-old son, and it's a lot that's happening over here in this house, I gotta make sure the unit is slightly secure. However, this is definitely not necessary. I really could have went without doing a little bit of hairspray, but I went on ahead and did a little bit, blow dried it down. And now let's move on to adding some edges. Again, optional. Really, this install could take you about a minute if you even wanted to use adhesive. Like I said, using any kind of hairspray or whatever is not necessary. Y'all, this clearly is not necessary either, but you know me, I love me some baby hair, especially with any kind of like kinky curly texture. So I'm going in with my Bold Hold Lace Jelly. This is basically just some gel, you guys. You can use it to actually lay your lace down, you know, and melt the lace, or you can just use it on your edges, and that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just gonna do 2 simple swoops, and then instead of waiting for it to dry, because I ain't got the time for all that, I'm just gonna use my blow dryer to get it nice and set. So keep in mind also, you guys, this unit is breathable. It has a breathable cap on it, like you guys saw in the beginning. You can actually get to your scalp if need be, so you can scratch it, you can put oil in it if you need to. Basically, you're not gonna sweat and die, especially with the spring and summer months coming up. This is definitely wearable during those months. Like I said, it's nice and breathable. You won't have a sweaty mess underneath once you take off your unit. All right, you guys, so next, as far as styling this unit, I'm just gonna first start with some water just to get the hair nice and hydrated and a little bit wet, because I do need to go ahead and detangle it, loosen up these kinks and curls using my Crave detangling brush. Y'all, make sure you check the description box. I will list everything about this unit down below, and also any products that I use today, like my favorite detangling brush that I'm using right now, will be listed there or in my Amazon store. So make sure you guys check it out. So going in, detangling this hair, you guys, look how pretty it is. I was like, now that's pretty. Keep in mind, this is 20 inches, so it's not going to be too much during the summertime. Definitely wearable, like I said before. Next, I'm taking my Cream of Nature Flaxseed Gel. I love this gel. This is actually my first time using this on curly hair. I typically use this in my son's hair, Isaiah's hair, but this is my first time using it on a wig and I am hooked. I think it came out really well. It definitely gave me definition, gave me really great hold. So I'm just working through all these kinks and curls. And once I get that nice and worked in, I'm just gonna go section by section, y'all. And then I'm gonna end up doing a couple like finger coils, more so towards the end of the hair, but I kind of just did it sporadically all throughout, just grabbing pieces. There goes my gel. Grabbing pieces kind of in the middle, towards the end, just getting a little bit more curl definition. And this also can help eliminate a little bit of frizz as well. So after you've got everything set how you want to, go in and diffuse. This is what I'm doing here because I didn't have time to air dry. Normally I would just air dry for a good minute and then go in my diffuser, but not today. So I did it as long as I could, which is really not that long, you guys. I probably did maybe 5 to 7 minutes of diffusing. And then I went on in with my hot comb and just flattened out the top really lightly, just like a smidge, because I didn't want to get too carried away. And next I'm just gonna put 2 little bobby pins right on the side because my hair was still a little wet. It was probably about 75% dry, let me put it that way. And I'm not the biggest fan of a whole lot of hair in my face either, so just pinning that hair back a bit, adding a touch of concealer, fluffing out the hair a bit, and that's it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Super easy. This is probably one of the easiest and quickest installs I have done. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments. Don't forget to check out that sale from Nadula, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.